In this segment, we'll show you how to create a new trading script. First, go to My Dashboard, then go to Manage App for Scripts, then click on Scripting Management, then enter the details of the new script you want to create. So give it a simple name, and the category for that script. Now hit Submit and edit the script you just created. Here we'll create a simple trend following script. So first, get the data from the runtime that is provided by the platform. And this will return an array of values of closing prices. And if we see an upward trend of 3 consecutive data points, then signal a buy. So first we'll use the last data point, and if it's greater than the second to last, and that is greater than the third to last, then we'll tell the runtime that we want to signal a buy at that given point in time. Otherwise, we will tell the runtime engine that we want to sell. Now this is a very simple algorithm that you never want to put into production, but for the sake of this demo, let's just assume that is a good algorithm. Now give it a commit message for that snapshot, and save your file. And files that are saved permanently. In this segment, we'll show you how to edit an existing script. So first, we go to My Dashboard. Then we manage App for Scripts. Then we click on Script Management. And then we edit the previous script we've just created. And here, the change we want to make is that we want to sell on a downward trend. To do that, we'll compare the last data point, and if it's less than the second to last, and that is less than the third to last, then we'll signal a sell to the platform. And we'll save this as sell on downward trend. Now if we know we still have the old existing version of the script, and if that version is in production actively trading, it will not be updated with the new script. This means we are free to make changes without having to worry about affecting production systems, and we can test new versions of this script. And we can also delete the script if we want to. And we can see older versions of the script and revert back to those changes. In this section, we will demonstrate how to run a backtest on an existing algorithm we've developed. First, we go to our dashboard. Then we'll go to Manage Script Apps, and go to Script Management, and we'll edit an existing script. This script is a bit more developed, and it shows off some of the extra features you can use in our engine, such as defining custom functions and importing some modeling software. However, the overall flow is the same. Now let's go back to our dashboard and go back to the crypto trading application. Then click on Backtest Management, and here we'll fill in our new backtest. So we'll use the strategy we just saw of the latest version with Polynex's historical data using Bitcoin as our base currency, and Ethereum and Litecoin as our trading currencies. Our start date will be January 1st, 2018. And will run through February 1st, 2018. And our frequency will be on 300 seconds or 5 minutes. We will run this. And we can see it is now running in the background. It'll take a couple minutes for this to finish. So in the meantime, we've prepared a version of this already precompiled. And here we can download the results of the script. And I'll show you a time period by time period breakdown of the trading positions, the portfolio value, and the portfolio position. In this segment, we'll demonstrate how to run a live trading algorithm. First, we'll go to our dashboard. Then we'll go to manage our crypto trading application. Then we'll go to portfolio management. And we'll run the previous script we've discussed, specifically using the 18th version. Here, we'll give an example domain of the exchange we want to run against. So for example, Polynex. And here's where we place an API key or account key to trade on behalf of. For our base currency, we'll test with Bitcoin. And for trading currencies, we'll just test with Ethereum and Litecoin. Our trading frequency, we'll use 300 seconds or the 5-minute interval. We'll set it to be active. For our position limit, we can set it to be 80%, so that no more than 80% of a portfolio will be in any one asset at any given point in time. For our buy limit, we can set it to 10% or 15%, and that will be the limit of the amount of portfolio that can be in any given buy. And we can submit that in trade live. For an example portfolio, we can see the balance for each currency pair we're trading, the desired positions if there were any, and any set stop losses set by the algorithm. We can view weekly performance or monthly performance.